It is possible to comfortably heat and cool your home while saving money and reducing your environmental impact. Let's learn more.
Air conditioning, your HVAC system, your heating and air conditioning is really the heart of your home. It's what keeps you warm in the winter and cool in the summer. It's behind the scenes. We want it to run as smoothly as possible because when you have no heat and it's 0 degrees out, or vice versa, it's a heat wave, it's 95 and you have no air conditioning, you need a company that will answer the phone. We're a family-owned company, been forever. When you start going to a larger, more conglomerate company, you lose that personal touch.
For over a century, Needham Oil Complete Heating and Cooling has been keeping families comfortable.
We are working with our manufacturers and the suppliers to offer our customers many different options for their heating and cooling needs to decrease their energy consumption. This includes heat pumps, ductless systems, high efficiency boilers and furnaces. So we have a lot of options for our customers, as well as smart thermostats and integration with those to help decrease energy consumption and increase our efficiencies and make the home comfortable going forward.
Complete in our name means we are completely reliable, we're dependable, and we want to make sure you're completely satisfied and make it very personable and let them know that we're always going to be here for any of their needs. You're not just a number, you're a person to us.
Transforming home heating with energy-efficient solutions and eco-friendly biofuels is key to their vision. Today, that same trusted team continues the tradition at TF Complete Heating and Cooling. Delivering cutting-edge energy-efficient systems, TF Complete Heating and Cooling has evolved to meet the needs of modern homeowners, offering a variety of comfort solutions.
A lot of our customers were converting to gas and propane. I wanted a division that could concentrate and be the main point that you could call to do your heating and air conditioning needs for gas and propane. So TF Complete is a gas division within my company. We service ductless systems, but we also service the boilers, furnaces, air conditioning, heat pump, as well as installs. So we're full service TF Complete for all your heating and air conditioning needs.
We want to make sure that every point of contact that comes from our customers, from the office staff to the service technicians to the installation, there's clear, concise communication on what to expect as far as any repair or any replacement that we would do. The most common heating and cooling problems that we see in New England are usually due to a couple things. The age of the equipment. Most equipment, gas furnaces, heating, air conditioning, usually last around 15 years. And once they get toward the end of their life, you'll start seeing a lot of breakdowns happen. What we can do to prevent that is we offer preventive maintenance, that we always recommend that any gas appliance or any heat pump or air conditioner gets maintained once a year. As long as the equipment is installed properly from the beginning, they get much longer usage out of them.
Preventive maintenance is one of the most important things you can do for your heating or cooling system because it helps increase the longevity of your system. You're going to find issues before they become large, costly repairs. So if you get your system maintained every year, it's the best thing you can do for comfort, energy consumption, and really keeping down costs of repairs going forward.
It was a problem where I didn't have heat in my home. I was home alone with 2 young children. So I made one phone call. They made me feel really comfortable asking questions. They talked me through the problem and helped me understand what was happening. And just due to their response, how I felt like they took care of my questions immediately, it was a pretty easy decision for me.
We look at our customer as the most important thing. It's the complete needs of our customers that we look for. And we want to make sure they're happy with our products and services and what we do, and make sure that if there is a problem, we're going to be there and help them as best we can to get their system up and running. I think Needham Oil and TF Complete are both companies that are looking to move everyone to the future and trying to give customers opportunities to save money and be green and be able to put in systems that will keep them comfortable for years to come, and not something that is a quick fix, but something that you'll be able to rely on so that you're comfortable and happy with everything that we do. So our catchphrase is complete can't be beat. We're the #1 company, I believe, and we want to be the best company out there. We can't be beat on what we do and how we service our customers and why we care for our customers and make sure that they're happy with what we do and how we do it.
Get top quality service for all your HVAC needs. Visit the websites needhamoil.com and tfcompletehvac.com. Or you can see this segment again on designingspaces.tv.